Hi everyone, welcome back to Mommy Mouse Clubhouse Recipes. It's day 2 of my 12 Days of Christmas Cookies series, and today we're making the most delicious holiday flavored treat, Frosted Eggnog Cookies. These soft, buttery cookies topped with creamy eggnog frosting are basically Christmas in cookie form. If you love classic holiday flavors, you're going to love this one. Now let's get baking. We're going to start with the dry ingredients. Place 1½ cups of all-purpose flour in a medium-sized mixing bowl, followed by 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Whisk the dry ingredients together, then set that bowl aside. In a separate mixing bowl, add 10 tablespoons of softened butter and 1/2 cup of sugar. Beat them together until light and fluffy. Mix in 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of eggnog.
Under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho, we're feeling jolly eating Christmas.
Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture and blend until a soft cookie dough forms.
Every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace.
Use a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop to measure the dough and place on a parchment paper lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow them to rest on a baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. To make the frosting, add 1/2 cup of softened butter to a mixing bowl and beat slightly. Mix in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg.
To wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
Gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar and 3 to 4 tablespoons of eggnog until your desired frosting consistency is reached. Finally, use a spatula to add and spread frosting on top of each cooled cookie. Thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope you love these frosted eggnog cookies as much as we do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouseclubhouse.com. Don't forget, this is only day 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas Cookies, so make sure you're subscribed and you've turned on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's recipe. See you next time!